So I made a template of the bottom of that seat brace mount thing with 4 holes in it, and I came up under the car. This is the bolt hole for the one I already have in there. This car has a piece of angle iron that runs right across the center, so it's going to kind of help me, I believe, line this plate up. Although I probably want to look at this also from up on top, because from that angle it looks like that seat sits a little crooked. From this angle it looks pretty straight. So I'm going to try shooting a hole. It may be that I'm lining it up with my eye, and my eye is following the outside line of the body frame rather than the center line, which is straight. It's probably better. And I think what I'm going to do is, I believe I brought a little piece of chalk with me. So I believe I brought a little piece of chalk with me to mark that with. So I'm just going to come under here and line this up with the center of that. I'm going to put a mark. Y'all can see what I'm doing or not. Put a mark right here. One right here. Try to anyway. One right over here. And I go back to this one. It looked like it didn't get much chalk up in there, but maybe it did. So I should be able to let that down now. Nah, can't really see it. I can't see that one, so let's put that back. We'll do this back one again, one more time. Didn't come through. I got to poke a hole through this one with my finger to get it to come through. I'll try it like this. Try it like that. That didn't work either. There you go. I think I did it. So I'm going to start drilling a small hole right here. And then we'll be able to look up inside and see how close that comes to hitting what it needs to hit. I may have to loosen that up and find a hole, which I can do. Alright, so that lines up. I just had to loosen the seat. What I should be able to do now, go to a bigger drill size and keep working that hole a little at a time. I'm gonna go get my bolt now because I don't want to drill a bigger hole than I need. So I meant to bring that a while ago. I went to town and bought bolts this morning and left them sitting in the car, so I'll go get one. Yeah, I got seat in her. I ain't got seat belt in yet, but I figured I'd take her up to the store, see if they got a chili dog left for me. Oh, the joy.
got in this, but yeah, I ought to go back home, put some in it just to make sure I don't run out. Heard it sputter a little bit. I'll sit y'all down while I turn around. I was talking to Luke Palioka last night about getting me a bigger steering wheel for this. I'd like to get me like a 58 Chevy steering wheel.
I think that's good